It's a beautiful Sunday, so we decided to go for a small ride with my friend with his CBR 650R with the E-clutch, which is very cool, and also he has an Akrapovic exhaust on it, which makes it even cooler. And I'm here with my MT-07. It already has 114 kilometers, so at the beginning of the day it had like 40 or 60. I'm just getting used to the bike. I started to like the suspension really a lot. Yeah, that motorcycle sounds very good. I started to like the suspension a lot, really, especially the front end. I can feel it now. The improvement is so big. In my first ride I was too nervous to realize how good this suspension is. For example, if I counter steer, it goes, I can feel it's so exact. The whole motorcycle, it's so exact, it's so precise. I can't describe it. It's a lot better than the old MT-07. I also changed the display theme to this dark one, and I like it a lot now, because the bright one with the stock theme was kind of weird for me, as I told you in the first video, because in my opinion it looked like an old Android phone or something like this, but now it has kind of like a BMW look. I don't know, this is my opinion, and it's a lot better. Also the police here, but we are stock, we are fine, everything is legal, so it's good. Now, how was this ride for me with the bike? I want to be very honest and tell you that it was kind of boring, because it's a braking period that I told you in the first video, because it's brand new. So I went very easy on it. I went like below 5k RPM, and also the exhaust is stock, so I couldn't enjoy the sound very much. I think he enjoys a lot more the sound than me at the moment. Yeah, this sounds very good. Also, another thing that I want to show you guys is the fuel consumption of this motorcycle. It's extremely low. Let me find it. Look, it has an average of 4.6 liters. This, in my opinion, it's so great. I can't wait for this braking period to finish, so I can push the bike a little bit more to enjoy the sound a little bit more over 5k RPM and things like that. What a beautiful sunset we have here, and also a lot of motorcycles today. I'm not kidding, I think I saw like, I don't know, 40 motorcycles, and in those 50 kilometers, which is very great. What I'm planning to do with this motorcycle, because I bought it new, I want to keep it at least 1 year. When talking about cars, I get bored of them very fast, so I change them kinda often. But because this is my first ever new vehicle that I bought, I want to keep it for at least 1 year, let's say. I will make a video with some mods of it. I want to change the mirrors, because they are so big, and it takes all the beauty of this motorcycle, in my opinion. As I told you, I already bought an Akrapovic exhaust, which is on the way. Is the carbon version. I hope, and no, not that I hope, but I know this will sound very good. Some crash pads, some tank pads, because the grip now on the tank is not great at all. It's like I slide forward and backwards a lot. Even if I push my legs against the tank, it's still very slippery, so I don't like this feeling. So I need to get some good tank pads. And also I really want to buy a short blade holder, because this, again, I think it makes the bike look like, I don't know, unnatural. I don't really like it, so it needs to be changed as soon as possible. This is a very beautiful day to enjoy motorcycling. I mean, it was, because now it's starting to get cold, even though you can't see it on camera, but it's kind of cold. And now we are also getting on the highway, so I'm going to feel it a lot colder than it really is. My friend enjoying the Krapovic. I can't go. You see, I have a LED that blips when I get close to 5k RPM. Yeah, you saw it? I think it's because of the braking period. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's because of the braking period. I hope the tires have better grip now, because we already did 123 kilometers with the bike, so I hope they are good now. Here it's a bit crowded, and I can't really go fast with the bike. I think in 6th gear, if I want to stay below 5k RPM, I need to be at the 120 kilometers per hour maximum, which is decent considering I'm on a naked bike and the wind protection is as bad as it can ever be. Like, no joke. I'm only 85 kilometers, which is like 50 miles per hour, and with the weather outside, I don't feel like going faster than this at all, really, because the wind protection is, again, it doesn't exist basically. You enjoy a naked more in the city. The highway is the worst place that you can ride an MT-07 in my opinion. But don't get me wrong, if I put it in 5th gear and I push it just a little, I can feel it has enough torque to make overtake or something like this. It's so great. It's such a torquey machine, and I really enjoyed it. Yeah, my friend with the CBR has better wind protection by far than me, so he can go, if he tucks in, he can go like 160, 170 kilometers per hour without a problem. So yeah, the highway is not the best part of this motorcycle, but if you want to go on the highway, it has enough power, in my opinion, not a problem at all. Those 75 horsepower are enough, even in 6th gear. It's very torquey. I really like it. Another thing that I can feel now is that my butt kinda hurts now, but I'm on the bike for, let's see, because it has this trip option. Trip time is 3 hours and 14 minutes, which includes my rides from the first day. I think I stay on the bike like 1 hour in the first day, and so today I went like 2 hours and a half, let's say. I'm starting to feel a small pain in my back, and also my butt kinda hurts a little bit, but it's not very extreme. So now guys, I hope you can hear me. I'm at 120 kilometers per hour and I have 5k RPM. So I can't go past through it because I really respect the bike and I want to take care of it. So I want to make the braking period very, very nice. That CBR looks very good. Also has some new mirrors. I don't know if you can see them, but he installed new mirrors, which makes the bike a lot more aggressive. These mirrors look like shovels, in my opinion. It doesn't look good at all. When it comes to leaning, I want to be honest, I'm not an experienced motorcyclist. I'm not a beginner, but I'm not the best one. I'm kind of a mid-range motorcycle in my opinion, and I want to take that in consideration because some opinions might be wrong, but it's my opinion. And I want to show you guys, if I turn this motorcycle, I can feel it. It's very, very stable. It gives me a lot of confidence in doing that. And again, those are my first 135 kilometers on a bike after 2 years. I want to road trip this bike. I want to do a lot of things with this new bike this summer. So if you want to see more, you can subscribe. It's free. If you are interested in this motorcycle and my journey with it, I want to document a lot of rides, a lot of progress for me and for this motorcycle through this summer. So again, if you want, you can subscribe. If if you are interested in motorcycling. Let's do a small test, nothing crazy, from 100 kilometers per hour to 120 in 6th gear, and it was like, I don't know, 40% throttle. So yeah, in my opinion, it's snappy, it's fast enough on a highway, but I think this motorcycle is the best in the city. The maneuverability and the torque in the low revs, it's so great, which makes it a very good motorcycle for urban riding. I can't get bored of this torque. It's a very torquey machine. I don't know if you could hear it, but it has the dB killer on, and it sounds like this. Even though I don't have a windscreen, if I tuck in, yeah, I can feel that this is better, but it's still bad. Don't get me wrong, it's still bad. Highway is not a good point of this motorcycle at all. I can go comfortable at the maximum T-speed, 110 kilometers per hour. After T-speed, it gets annoying, and the enjoyment starts to fall a lot. That was it for the moment, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.